Namaskar. Today we will talk about the development of e-content for students with disabilities. One thing we have to understand what's the meaning of the disabilities. Disabilities means those students who are not perfect or who has some problems maybe physically or mentally. So we have to prepare the content for them and we call it as the e-content or we can say it as the electronic content. If we talk about the electronic content, it's very useful, it's very helpful, especially when we have the cases like COVID-19, what had happened from last 2 years, and we were totally dependent upon the program like Har Ghar Pathshala and so on, which were basically meant for all the students throughout the country. Now, here we are talking about the disabilities. So what is the e-content? E-content means the ready-made material which will provide to the students on different type of medias like radio, television, or computers or some other sources, so that they can go through this material and they can continue their studies and all this. Now, if I talk about the e-content, especially when we talk about my own state like Himachal Pradesh, in the COVID time, we had a group of people, we call them as SRG, State Resource Group people, who came forward or who voluntarily came forward to provide the study material to the students, like remote areas or to each and every corner of the Himachal Pradesh. And these SRGs also time to time they are getting assistance from Samagra Shiksha or from SCERT Solan and so on. Even like last month we had a training for the development of e-content at State Council of Education Research and Training for 5 days. We are near about 40 SRG members from Himachal Pradesh. They had taken part and they learned different type of skills for the development of this e-content and all this. Uh, Now, if I talk about the government initiative, the government is also trying a lot of things to carry out this e-content. Like government is providing the e-content in the form of we call it as like Diksha, digital initiative for knowledge sharing. Then we have Swayam, then we have Swayam Prabha, then we have OLab, we call it as the online lab. Then we have National Digital Library, and so other forms we have to so that study of the students should not hamper or they will get a lot of benefit from this. My main aim of making this tutorial video is about I want everyone to be aware about the e-content and how this e-content is getting prepared. If I talk about the Har Ghar Pathshala program which was carried out in Himachal Pradesh, initially when it was started in the month of May 2020. Each and every one of the team member of State Resource Group, they were not very trained enough to prepare this type of videos or content for the students. But as the time passes, we learned a lot of things from each other. We get assistance from the government, we get assistance from different type of organization, and slowly we came up with a very good material. Later on, we developed the study material for the students of the hard areas like Kinnaur, Lahore Spiti and all this, and it came in the form of the workbook and all this. So main intention of making this tutorial video is about knowing about making everyone to know about this e-content and all this, and many more will comes in the field of this e-content. Thank you.